Won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no pep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sha'Kida, and I'm back at it with another video for you guys. Alright, you're gonna hear the birds chirping because it's nice outside. It's like 80 degrees. My hair is looking kind of crazy. I had slept on it kind of crazy last night, so we won't talk about it. But I'm just gonna show you guys how I get my sleek low bun, because that's what I'm doing today. That's the look I'm going for today. Actually, it was a year on May 4th. May the 4th be with you, where I actually big chopped my hair last year, and I want to do a year uppity, but I got that coming for you guys, just not today, okay? Like, it's grown so much, like, good. Ooh, child, I love water. Water loves me. We're going to start with a middle part. I think that's as far as back. So I do wet my hair. Get a little deep. I go in with my Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. Come on. And I just get some on my hands, that much. Okay, I always wanted to do this. And I just put it all through my hair. Don't ask me why I do this, because I really don't know. I just do it. And I section my hair just a bit. It doesn't have to be even. And I just section it like that. Okay, we're gonna go a little crazy for a second and let it down. And then I go in with, I usually use Eco Styler, but we're gonna go in with the Wet Line Extreme. Pop some. And you're just gonna place it. I focus a lot on my kitchen. Okay. Still acts a little crazy because it still isn't as long as I want it, so I still have to, you know, do it as if I'm still bald head. So I'm gonna just go ahead and brush into like a really low pony. Like that. And then I feel like my hair is at the length where I can work in bigger sections, so it's okay. We go there. We go chill. And this is why I didn't put my shirt on. And I really focus on my sides and my edges, honey. Your part. And you're gonna go in. On the top, I like going all the way down the shaft of my hair. And then wet it. Side all sleeked. And you're gonna go on the other side. And spray. I'm gonna go over here. Then like a little white, but it'll dry. And if you're like me and you want like your hair to like be curly, at the ends, spray and use your dimming brush to get that look. See? And if you want baby hairs, definitely do your baby hairs. Definitely swoop them. Never get it together. So it's like certain things. And if you want to add hair, you most definitely can. You can always add like a little hair to attach, but I ain't got time for all that, so that's it. And And like I said, you can add your little curlies if need be. And then usually I like just add like a scarf on top just to like mold it, and I do add like some freeze spray. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. This is your look, sis. I usually rock this look with like some hoops, so yeah, like if you guys like this look, comment down below, like this video. I know I'm like in like a little tank right now, but I'm gonna put another shirt on for today. But yeah, if you guys like this look, definitely comment, like, subscribe to this video. I am gonna have some more natural hair videos for you guys, so do not worry. I'm gonna add my scarf and let it mold for probably like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna snatch it off. But I'll see you guys in my next video.